Did you know that over 80 million people in the US are affected by some form of liver disease, largely due to poor diet choices? That's a staggering number, and it's something we can't ignore. Today, we're going to look into how crucial our liver is for overall health and how our diet significantly impacts its well-being. First off, let's talk about the liver itself. This powerhouse organ is essential for filtering toxins, aiding digestion, and regulating metabolism. Keeping it healthy is critical, and believe it or not, what we eat plays a huge role in its health. The choices we make at the dinner table can either support our liver's health or put it at risk. First up, let's talk about alcohol. It's probably no surprise that alcohol tops the list. Regular or excessive alcohol consumption can cause a myriad of liver problems, including alcoholic liver disease. This can progress to fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. For the sake of your liver, it's best to moderate your alcohol intake or avoid it altogether. Next, we need to look at high fructose corn syrup. Found in many sodas, sweetened beverages, and processed foods, HFCS is a major liver no-no. It's metabolized directly into fat by the liver, leading to a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Reducing your intake of foods and drinks containing HFCS can significantly decrease the risk of fat buildup in the liver. Fried foods are also a major concern. They're typically high in fat and calories, which can contribute to obesity, a leading cause of liver disease. Foods like French fries, fried chicken, and other deep-fried snacks increase your risk of developing NAFLD. Opting for baked or grilled alternatives can help keep your liver healthy. Then there's red meat. Rich in saturated fats, red meat can be hard on the liver when consumed in large quantities. A diet high in saturated fats can lead to liver inflammation, especially if you're already at risk for liver disease. It's wise to limit red meat and choose leaner proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives. Processed foods are another category that can be harmful to liver health. These items often contain a lot of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats that can exacerbate liver disease. Additionally, they're typically low in fiber, which is vital for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing liver stress. Try to cut back on processed items like chips, packaged snacks, and convenience meals. Instead, focus on whole foods that are less taxing on your liver. Now, onto the foods that are the biggest offenders. It's probably no surprise that processed foods packed with preservatives and artificial ingredients are at the top of the list. These foods are tough on our liver because they're high in unhealthy fats and lack the nutrients our liver needs to function properly. Next up are sugary drinks, which include not only sodas, but also those sweet teas and fruit juices that seem healthier but are actually loaded with sugar. And, of course, there's alcohol, which is one of the most well-known threats to liver health, as excessive consumption can lead to conditions like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. But here's a shocker. Did you know that even some seemingly healthy foods like white bread can be harmful to your liver? That's right. Foods that are high in refined carbs and sugars can contribute to liver fat accumulation, especially if they're consumed in large amounts without other nutrients to balance them out. So, what can we do to avoid harming our liver? Start by reducing your intake of these high-risk foods. Swap out processed snacks for whole fruits and veggies, choose water or herbal teas over sugary drinks, and moderate your alcohol consumption. Also, integrating liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can make a huge difference. Remember that protecting your liver starts with what you put on your plate. Making informed dietary choices can significantly reduce the risk of liver disease and keep this vital organ running smoothly. It's not just about cutting out the bad stuff. It's about creating a balanced, nutritious diet that supports liver health and overall wellness. Let's dig a bit deeper into how small changes in your diet can make a big impact on your liver health. It's all about starting small and making adjustments that you can stick to long term. One fantastic way to engage more actively with your diet is by keeping a food diary. This simple tool can help you become more aware of what you're eating and its effects on your body. Tracking your meals and how you feel afterwards can reveal a lot about what foods might be stressing your liver. For example, you might notice that after a weekend of indulging in fast food or alcoholic beverages, you feel sluggish or bloated. These symptoms can be your body signaling that your liver is overwhelmed. Let's also talk about another surprising aspect that many overlook: hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for helping your liver flush out toxins. Sometimes, when we think we're hungry, we're actually just dehydrated. Before reaching for a snack, try drinking a glass of water and waiting a few minutes. You might find that it was just the thirst talking. Now, incorporating more liver-friendly foods doesn't have to be boring. Let's get creative in the kitchen. How about starting your day with a smoothie packed with spinach, berries, and a small handful of nuts? Or, for lunch, assembling a vibrant salad topped with grilled salmon or tofu and sprinkled with seeds. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that support liver function. It's also important to mention the role of spices. Herbs like turmeric, which we've explored before, and others like cinnamon and garlic, are not just great for adding flavor. They also offer significant liver health benefits. Adding these to your meals can boost not only the taste, but also your liver's ability to process and detoxify. Let's not forget, every single step you take towards a healthier diet is a step towards a healthier liver. It doesn't have to be a complete overhaul overnight. Small, consistent changes are what lead to lasting results. Maintaining your liver health through diet is both an effective and empowering way to enhance your overall well-being. Remember, every food choice is an opportunity to nourish this vital organ. Your liver works tirelessly to take care of you, so let's take care of it with the food we choose. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or if you've tried some liver-friendly recipes, share them in the comments below. We're excited to hear about your journey towards better health. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guides on YouTube and click the notification bell. You don't want to miss our next video, where we'll explore more ways to keep your body thriving naturally. Stay healthy and take care.